The Black Death, also known as the bubonic plague, was one of the most devastating pandemics in human history. Here are some amazing facts about its history and consequences in medieval Europe, focusing on its impact on society and healthcare. Origin and spread. The Black Death is believed to have originated in China or Central Asia and spread along trade routes, reaching Europe in the 14th century. It is thought to have been carried by fleas on rats. Massive death toll. The Black Death swept across Europe from 1347 to 1351, and it's estimated to have killed between 75 million and 200 million people, wiping out around 30 to 60% of Europe's population. Social disruption. The sheer magnitude of death and fear surrounding the plague led to significant social disruption. Entire villages were sometimes wiped out, and survivors often faced labor shortages, leading to increased wages and improved living conditions for peasants. Impact on healthcare. Medieval healthcare was rudimentary at best, and the Black Death highlighted the inadequacy of medical knowledge at the time. Traditional treatments, such as bloodletting and herbal remedies, were largely ineffective against the disease. Quarantine measures. Quarantine measures were introduced to contain the spread of the plague. Infected individuals and entire households were often sealed off from the rest of the community, demonstrating early attempts at public health measures. Flagellants. Some religious groups, known as the Flagellants, emerged during the Black Death. They believed that self-punishment and penance would save them from the plague, and they traveled from town to town, whipping themselves in public displays of repentance. Medical advancements. While the Black Death exposed the limitations of medieval medicine, it also laid the groundwork for future advancements. Observations during the pandemic contributed to a better understanding of infectious diseases and the importance of sanitation. Resurgence. The Black Death had several waves and continued to affect Europe for centuries. It resurfaced in various forms, with the last major outbreak occurring in the 17th century. Artistic and literary impact. The Black Death left a lasting imprint on European art and literature. It inspired works like Boccaccio's The Decameron and influenced the motif of the Dance of Death in art. Legacy. The Black Death profoundly shaped Europe's demographics, economy, and culture. It led to labor shortages, which contributed to the decline of feudalism, the rise of the Renaissance, and the beginning of the modern age. Hygiene practices. The experience of the Black Death prompted some improvements in hygiene practices. People became more conscious of the need for cleanliness, leading to better sanitation in cities and homes. Long-term effects on healthcare. Over time, the devastation caused by the Black Death prompted a greater emphasis on medical education and research. This eventually laid the groundwork for the development of modern healthcare systems. The Black Death was a tragic and transformative event in medieval Europe, reshaping society and healthcare practices and leaving a lasting mark on history. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did creating it. If you found the content valuable and entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos in the future. Your support means a lot to us and keeps us motivated to deliver better content. Feel free to leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay curious and inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.